How to transfer funds from Scotia Bank to another bank. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can transfer funds from Scotia Bank to another bank. For this, you want to log into your Scotia Bank account either in the Scotia Bank app or on the website. Once you have been signed into your account, this is going to be the home screen. Now tap on the transfer option at the bottom of your screen. Here you have two options. The first one is domestic transfer and the second one is international transfer. Now, if you want to transfer it domestically, then you want to tap on the transfer between accounts option. Now, you will have to enter some details. You first want to select the bank account from which you want to transfer the fund. Then on the to section, you want to enter the bank where you want to transfer the fund. After that, you want to enter the amount, then select the frequency, and then you want to type in the date, which is optional. Now you want to slide to transfer. Review all the details you have entered. Then you want to click on the finish option in order to confirm your transfer. After that, your funds will be transferred from Scotia Bank to another bank. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.